Guys, what are you doing here?
I'm just looking at the view and just relaxing. Saying, try to get right.
Oh,
Why
okay.
it takes.
Yeah. What about you? You know, I don't know what. Come here for the past 2 months.
Then why?
I feel like I
Have to.
the water was starting.
Oh, it's beautiful. You know, I like to look at it from the distance.
You want to go jump in?
No.
Then, well, I'm Gimble headed later. Come on, you can join.
So can Joan again?
What? You can get wet again? I mean, Cass, I just came out. Like, I just said I like to relax the corner of the skate. So you need to get dry. Want to get dry? I'm gonna get in the water again.
Right. I'm sorry.
Are you?
Yeah, no, I'm good. It's just, yeah, whatever. Do you want to sit somewhere else?
Yeah. I saw a beautiful spot here. Okay. Yeah, let's go. What here? On that.
You want to help me with the towel? You have a towel? Can we get back?
No. I just went here.
Without a towel?
Yeah.
Okay. It's weird of you. You can share mine. So,
Not really much. I like to admire here.
yeah. I didn't expect you to be here. Why didn't you message me?
No service.
And you left your phone, right?
Yeah, I left my phone. Couldn't find it somewhere.
Yeah. You know, there's something weird going around that there's a missing girl.
No way.
Yeah, have you heard of it?
No.
It's been going everywhere. Everyone in school is talking about it. I wonder where she is.
Mitchell, do you remember the girl?
I mean, they haven't posted a picture about it. More a missing poster. So there's a missing girl.
When is she announced missing?
3 months ago, I think. Not poster yet.
Oh. Strange.
So, how are you and Rando going?
I don't know. I might go pop. What? Yeah.
Hey, you guys are perfect for each other.
Yeah. Yeah. I don't know. If he love me, he would search for me, you know?
Yeah, you're right. You deserve better.
Yeah. What's up? What's wrong with you? Why are you looking at me like that? You have something? Look,
What are you doing?
you're looking at me weird. Like I have a spider crawling.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine. Are you? You're acting weird. It's sad. Are you fine?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Are you?
Whatever.
I'm gonna take a little walk.
Okay.
How's it?
Hey, Shabbos. See ya. See ya. I found a update. It's about the missing girl.
Look up there. Can't really see anything. Hold on. Oh, you dream.
See ya. See ya. See ya. See ya. See ya. It's not funny. Where are you? See ya. See ya. See ya. See ya. See ya. See you. See ya. See ya. See ya. See ya. Come on. Wake up. See ya.
Nuts. I'm young. He nuts. Fucking me.